This is Dr. S. Mohan Lakshmi, Professor and Head, Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering. In this video lecture, we are going to see about IoT ecosystem overview. So, overview of an IoT ecosystem. So, here we have taken one particular example, and I am trying to explain with that particular application. So, on completion, the student will be able to define what is an IoT ecosystem, and they will be able to describe the system for any suitable application. So, of course, we are seeing only one application in this lecture, but the student will be able to describe any IoT ecosystem for any preferable application. So, IoT ecosystem. So, what is it? So, in IoT ecosystems, computing interactions are driven by smart objects, which are system entities considered as the main building blocks of the IoT environment. So, smart objects are nothing but it is an object where we put intelligence into it. So, the devices will turn into a smarter objects, which will able not only to collect information from the environment and interact as well as control the things of the physical world. So, it will not give only the data, as well as it will be able to interact with the physical world, as well as it will be able to control the things in the available in the physical world. That one you put it as, or you call it as a smart object, and it also will be interconnected to each other through the internet to autonomously exchange pervasive data and information. So today we'll see, or in this lecture we'll see about the smart city ecosystem. We know what is smart city. So seeing in this, you could see here city operation system is there, and you have the different parameters or the different applications or the control need to be given over here. So something like lighting control, then parking, then what else, building, then mobility, all these things. So the platform or the system will get the data from all these devices, and this will be given to a city governance through a particular gateway, and the citizens will be able to recover those informations using this particular governance or the particular server over there. So there will be a control center, and all the data will be fed in, and this will be given to a city governance, and the citizen can request for any data or any information through the mobile or through the net, whatever it is, and you will get a thing. So you will get the particular information. So this one you call it as the city smart city ecosystem. So we have all the lighting aspect or the waste collection or waste, how to segregate and all those things. Whichever application you are trying to intend, you can put it over there. So this is from taken from the given reference and smart city ecosystem. So this will provide intelligent solutions that ensure efficiency at multiple levels, a more aware and optimized usage of the resources of the city, and minimization of the pollution, that is environmental impact, say for example by reducing the carbon dioxide emissions. So for example, in a particular area, if you have more carbon dioxide emissions, that will be warned, or some precautions has to be taken to reduce the pollution, and similarly to increase in the life quality of the citizens, say for example either in the case of safety or health or wellness, whatever it is. So the quality, sustainability and security are the crucial requirements and unavoidable issues for the city. So that has to be taken into mind, and the application or whatever constraints, the inputs you need to develop has to be put up as a requirement. So here the city will be equipped with physical devices or things, that is a network of sensors, cameras, speakers, smart meters, thermostats. So whatever devices you need to get connected, those things will be equipped with the, that is ecosystem will be equipped with that. So which will collect the information of the environment. So the gathered information will not only be used for the improvement of just a single city service or application, but it will also be shared among different services into the smart city ecosystem. A common platform for the operational management of city elements, sort of city operating system, will be responsible for managing all this data, storing, analyzing, processing, and forwarding the city data anywhere, anytime to anyone and anything, helping the city to improve and adapting the city services to the users' needs. And smart city should provide some autonomous management of its public services, example transport, energy, lighting, waste management, health, entertainment, through the widespread adoption of information and communication technologies. IoT is essential in this transition process since it has helped conventional cities to be turned into smart cities where traditional and more emerging sectors such as mobility, buildings, energy, living, and governance will also benefit from this transition. So, the transition plays a very major role. For example, a smart mobility services can be created to provide effective tools to the citizens to accurately plan their journeys with public or private transportation. So, the very good example is the traffic over the Google map you can visualize. So, this management layer, no longer vertical but horizontal, will ensure interoperability, coordination, and optimization of individual services applications through the analysis of heterogeneous information flows. Citizens, authorities will access the services offered by the platform through their applications, will consume them, and will actively participate by creating additional content. Suppose I want to add some new data or new applications, that will be provided as further input to the society operating system. So, by seeing this lecture, probably you will be able to say what is IoT ecosystem and what are the IoT ecosystems can be developed which is used for the society. And in this lecture, we have seen about the IoT ecosystem for the smart city. So, these are the minimum requirements are given, but still you can develop into a better requirements. You can put into different requirements, and you can also embed different sensors or smart objects, and you can connect to the network. Thank you.